This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering every PDF into a single folder so you control order immediately. Once done, install or confirm a batch print-capable tool, Adobe Acrobat, PDF-SAM, or a command line utility like LP or Sumatra PDF for Windows. Make sure the printer's default settings match your job: duplex on or off, color or grayscale, source tray, and paper size. You want predictable output, so set these before queuing files. This reduces wasted paper and time when the printer runs. Next, you configure the batch job inside your chosen tool. Select the folder or use Control or Command +A to pick all PDFs, then set per file options like page ranges, number of copies, collate, and print scaling. If the tool supports ordering, drag files into the correct sequence, otherwise rename them numerically. Make sure to preview 1 or 2 sample pages to verify margins and orientation. Doing that prevents surprises when the full queue executes and saves time. Finally, send the batch to print and watch the printer queue for errors and status. Confirm paper and ink or toner levels before the run. If a file fails, pause the queue immediately, remove or isolate the problem file, and reprint it single file to diagnose the issue. Make sure drivers and permissions are correct, and repair or recreate corrupt PDFs if needed. If the printer stalls, clearing and restarting the queue usually restores flow. Keep an eye on error messages for the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.